Good morning, traders. This morning I would like to present to you the power of intelligent trading. Take a look on the day on the email from Ron. This is November 10th. Ron produced $187,362 $50 on his account. So this was a spectacular institutional morning for Ron. What is so powerful about this event? What is so powerful about November 10th that will become unforgettable morning in Ron's life? As Ron shares on that morning, I've been trying for so many years and never really was able to learn and identify the fundamentals of successful process. You learn this in the course. You program your brain for successful trading. Since joining your classes, I learned something new nearly every day, and even though I consider myself a rookie, I'm able to identify and make intelligent keyword, intelligent decisions on trading. I have gone from a hit and miss scenario to a current scorecard of 100% accuracy in trading. The precision of your classes is extraordinary, and I'm forever grateful. Furthermore, without a doubt, one of the best decisions I have ever made. Just today, for example, although recognizable as an extremely rare in its occurrence, I was able to predict an exceedingly strong buy position on S&P and exited all positions with a realized gain of 187,000. 362.50. Without your classes, instructions, and encouragement, I would never have had the courage to enter the market with such heavy position and comfortable in doing so. How spectacular was this decision? Why was it so spectacular? On that morning, November 10th, market comes out with extraordinary bearish news. Horrific bearish news across the board. Run, places long. Run, buying the market here. Let me take you back to November 9th. Run knew well before this event that the only option to buy at this level, not to short into. And after extremely bearish news, Run's spectacular institutional long is taking as intelligent trader. Would you like to trade as intelligent trader? Do you understand the power of this? Alpha Fibonacci System overrides bearish news. Alpha Fibonacci System overrides all news. And if I convert this chart to 5, this is the event on November 10th. This is rounds long. This is breathtaking. Alpha Fibonacci System applies to every chart you trade. It's absolutely Ron's personal business what chart he trades. You decide what's appropriate for you and your account. Massive number of trades played out. Absolutely never short into this level, only long. Right after massive bearish news. Absolutely no short, only long into this level. What else is so spectacular? Many days in advance you understand where price is heading to next. Here we are 5 days later at this level on November 15th. This is intelligent strategic trading. No speculation here. No institutional longs at this level. Only junky bearish pullbacks. And again, you knew this far in advance. This is how market will test you to the core every single day. With the power of the system, you can not just day trade, you can position trade. We discussed with students in every class multiple time frames, from little ones, little retail charts to institutional charts. Let's review the events on institutional charts for the last few months and where traders been buying and shorting the market from. But first things are first. What other email did I receive on November 10th? It's from Dan. Well, it was so spectacular. He covered his short before market reversed. Phenomenal trading by intelligent, brilliant trader who knew quite well before the news to exit his short. He exited his short position. Otherwise, it would have been catastrophic event. Then avoided just fine. And that's spectacular news from my intelligent traders. No speculation here whatsoever. On the prior trade, Dan exited his short just fine. That's it. You decide if you want to trade as intelligent trader or not. You can trade the system on 1 minute, on 5 minute, on daily, on weekly, on monthly. Let's review where institutional longs sitting and waiting. Let's go back a month. Again and again and again. Here we are on October 1st. Market in free fall. But we're discussing with my traders. This is an institutional buy point, 3600 level. We're discussing with my traders market being bought at this level since 2020. This is not the place to short, the only option to buy from. Inflation is worst. Rates are extremely high, increased every single FOMC. But institutional longs sitting and waiting to be filled. Market skyrocketing 200 points plus. First week in October. Market skyrocketing again and again and again. Inflation is worse and worse and worse. How is it possible? Institutional longs are sitting and waiting to be filled? Of course. When I see that mom with 2 little babies on her hands can trade Nasdaq, it's spectacular. First week in October. That's it. If Jennifer can do it, if Ron can do it, if Dan can do it, so can you. This is the time you are glued to the screen. This is day trader's dream. You're riding institutional power. This morning on November 15th, we're no longer at institutional entry point. This morning, November 15th, we are at institutional hold point. Bearish pullbacks are junky, bullish rallies on. This will be war zone. So when you choose to buy this high, understand your trading range is limited. This is long with the software projected on 1 minute chart. Intelligent trader knows the power and precision of this. So if you would like to use the software for NinjaTrader 8, of course you can. Just remember to obey the rules and know where to enter and exit your trade. When institutions will continue holding their longs, you know to the tick where the problem is this morning. That's it. It's a very different trade. On November 15th versus November 10th. Agree? Are you with me? My goodness. Entry at 37.50. Entry at 3600 versus being this morning at 4000 level requires completely different skill. That's it. Market is stuck in chop. Trader tested to the core. Institutional holds are on. Only aggressive trading is present. Nothing else is here. How you adjust to different market conditions, how you understand institutional entries versus institutional holds will determine your success in trading. You decide what's appropriate for you and your account. Is it day trading or is it long-term trading? Option traders love trading daily chart. This is what Richard does. Nothing is a problem. Trading options. Of course you can. Choice absolutely yours. It never gets old to see what's possible when you obey by the rules. That's it. Simple and pure. Right institutional power. And you will do as well as Richard, Don, Ron, Jennifer, and traders in more than 50 countries do since 2011, trading institutional system across all instruments. Breathtaking, unforgettable morning for Ron. Very well deserved. Riding institutional power. Alpha Fibonacci System again proven to be drastically more powerful than bearish news as markets skyrocketed hundreds and hundreds of points on that breathtaking morning, November 10th, despite bearish news, as identified hours and days and weeks in advance. So if you want to trade as intelligent trader, I look forward working with you. So if you want to trade on all instruments, all time frames, as Ron, as Dan, as Jennifer, as Richard, as traders all over the world do, I look forward working with you. You can trade the system across all platforms. You can trade it on Empty for Thinkorswim, TradingView, TradeStation, platforms I've never even heard of, Fidelity, other platforms all over the world. If platform has price and Fibonacci retracement tool, Alpha Fibonacci System applies. Or you can use software for NinjaTrader 8 for day trading purposes with multi-market scanner and trade recognition software. That's it. Listen to students' podcast, view students' emails, and when you see what students do all over the world, including Forex, including options, including any and every instrument you choose, this can be you. Can you trade multi-million-dollar account? Absolutely. Hedge fund managers in Palm Beach, in London, in Dubai, in Saudi Arabia, in New York, do. Or you can day trade your own little account. Absolutely up to you. What instrument, what time frame you trade. And when you listen to the podcast, and you will see how father and son trade, very different time frames, very different charts, it's an absolute honor. When Andy, hedge fund manager, bring his 14-year-old son to the course, his son day trading futures, Andy trading system long term, managing multi-million dollar retirement accounts as a hedge fund manager with this system. Software is never a requirement. What is required is your brilliant brain and your brilliant effort. Currently, I'm working with a student in Australia who is viewing videos of live recorded classes 24/7. I work with students in Saudi Arabia. I work with students in New Jersey and Chicago. Every student different account, every student different background, every student different time frame. Private mentoring 8,000 in savings, speak with me first, includes everything. Lifetime software for Ninja 8, lifetime system for all platforms. I coach you, I quiz you, I test you. I focus on your strengths, I wipe out your weaknesses. I show you the power of your limitless brain. Second option is the most popular option, savings $5,000. But if you do not need software for Ninja 8, use option 1 or option 3. Again, you do not have to come to live classes. You can view videos of 300 plus prior live recorded classes 24/7. So please, after you view student performance and view students' podcasts, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. You are serious about trading? I look forward working with you. Thank you traders so much for spectacular morning.